Hi Deborah, sorry to hear about the problem with your Beko washing machine. Model number WB963446W. If the impeller on the pump has actually come off, you can't just push it back on. These are pressed in the factory. This means that you're going to have to buy a new pump. But what I've done for you is I've put a video below in the description to assist you in this. Not only is there a video there to show you how to change a pump on a Beko washing machine, there's also the full workshop manual and wiring diagram and exploded views of the machine so you can get the correct part for your machine. Hope this helps you. Watch the rest of the video and it will show you how to use the actual web page.
I've created you a web page specifically on your model of machine. It has the workshop manual with all the error codes, diagnostic procedure and wiring diagrams as well. And it also explains every component on the machine. There is also exploded views of your machine showing every component. And on the page, I've put all the relevant videos to assist you in your repair. If you or anyone else needs help with their Beko washing machine, fill out the Contact Us form on the website. Make sure you give us your full model number and serial number, but most importantly, make sure you leave us a detailed description of the fault. Better still, why don't you upload a video to YouTube, send me the link, I'll be able to have a look at the problem and then be able to help you better. Making this page for you took me a while, so please remember to support the website by giving us a thumbs up on our YouTube channel and subscribing, and also sharing the channel to your friends and family. We don't just make videos on washing machines. We do cookers, dishwashers, tumble dryers, fridge freezers, and many other types of appliance. Please remember to support the website by buying the parts off us. And if we really helped you, you can always donate to the website by clicking on the Buy Paul a Beer page. Thanks very much indeed for watching.